If you believe that some people are infidels or kafir, then do not watch any further, because the golden age spirituality is not about discarding people because it is being said by a man or written in a book supposed to be coming from heaven. It is not about that. Golden age is about dharmjai. Dharma is something which is beyond any boundaries, which is beyond any color, which is beyond any external nonsense. It is beyond any books. It is about your righteous duties as a human being, as an ideal human being, what your righteous duties are for humanity. And when you are working for the winning of those righteous duties, or when you are working for dharmjai, for the excellence of humanity, of earth, of health, of nature, of within, of dharma, then you are actually doing dharmjai. And you will see this thing, that all those people who have been saying this thing, that other people are infidel or other people are kafirs, these people, they are either negative or they are hypocrites. The words are the hypocrites, because they will always make sure that you fall into their evil trap. And if you fall into their evil trap, then they are very happy to accept you. But they will never accept you, because they always feel that they are superior than yourself. So, if you believe in golden age, if you believe in golden age spirituality, which is not about religion, which is not about some actions of religion, then you have to know this thing, that the most important thing for having a golden age or having a healed world is that you deny all those people from your life who believe that some people are infidels, some people are kafirs. And if you could do that, then only you are eligible for the golden age or Satyug. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, doesn't matter, but do make sure that you do some reaction with this video, like liking the video or sharing your feelings or sharing this little video to the people you know or the people you think that they will be interested in golden age for humanity. They are interested in doing something beautiful for humanity. And know this thing, that I am saying this after doing it for more than or around 256,000 hours in the last nearly 30 years. So this is not a info channel that I gather some info from somewhere and just vomit it on my videos. It is about the experiences which I have received from the Creator, from the Brahma, through my actions, through my kartavya, through my karma. Like, my first film is called My Karma. Through my actions, what I have done, these actions I am bringing to you. You like it, fine. You don't like it, doesn't matter. One day you will understand and like it also. So, share this video with your friends, families, and all the people you know. And do write your views regarding this thought. So see you again in another video, small video like this. Bye-bye.